Hello guys, in this video we're going to learn how to install Python on our Windows 11 machine. So first of all, we need to check if we have Python on our machine. So you can type cmd, then you type Python. So if it pops up like this, it means that you don't have Python on your Windows machine. So let's close it. Let's close it and let's go back to our browser. You go to your favorite browser and open google.com and go to the search engine and type Python. Then you select the first one, which is python.org. Click on it. So here you will see download. You scroll down and you will see download. Click the latest Python 3.13.0 start November 2024. This is the latest version. So click on it. Then scroll down. Then you come over here, you select Windows installer 64-bit, and you can see here the description is recommended. So you select it, click on it, and click save. So it will start downloading. The installer finished downloading, so you click on the .exe file. Then you have two options. You have install now and you have customized installation. So for we are going to click install now. But before we do that, I like to select use admin privilege when installing py.exe, and I would like to create a path. I want to add a Python path, a python.exe to path. Let's now click our install now, and you will give Python the right to install this application on your machine. So click yes. It only takes few seconds to install this application. So the setup has finished installing. The setup was successful. So we can click this place to disable path length limit. So click on it and say yes. You can see that the setup is complete. So close it. And for we to check if our Python is installed, let me close the CMD and open a new one. So go to your search and type CMD, and the command prompt will pop. Select command prompt and then just type in Python, and you can see that we have successfully installed Python 3.13.0, and it's a 64-bit. So let's test the Python we install. 1 plus 1 give us 2. Let's print and see. Hello world. And it printed successfully. Another way to check for our Python is to go to Python, is to come here and type Python. You can see that the Python we just installed, Python 3.13, is here. Just click on it. That's another way to open your Python. So basically, this is how you install Python on your Windows machine. Thank you for watching and keep learning.